How to get streaks on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your TikTok application from your device and then get logged into your TikTok account. Now, in order to get TikTok streaks, tap onto your inbox. Now, if you don't know, TikTok streaks is similar as Snapchat streaks. They will come if you send a lot of messages or videos to your friends. Let's go ahead and enable it. Tap onto your profile. Once done, tap on three bar icon on your top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Content and Display, you will see Notifications. Tap onto it. And at this page, you need to have your notification toggled on. Scroll below, then you will see streaks. Tap it, and now once you turn it on, you will receive all the notification from streaks. Just like so, this is how you can enable it. And once you send a lot of messages or share videos in your inbox, you will receive streaks and you will see a fire icon just like in Snapchat. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.